Yo, hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make a stream starting screen like the one you see on the video right now. So to start off guys, all you're gonna need is three things. First of all, you're gonna need a plugin for OBS called Spectralizer. Then you're gonna need Adobe Premiere or any video editing software as far as it has the effects I'm gonna talk about. And also you're gonna need OBS itself. That's it. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna put this link in the description if you want to download the Spectralizer. It's actually a really cool plugin you can install. To download it is really simple. So you go here, you go to download, you click it, and then you go down, and then you choose, if you're on Windows, you choose Windows install.exe. If you're on Linux, you can choose the other one. So for me, I'm gonna choose Windows because that's what I'm using, and I'm gonna open it, run, and just accept yes, and then just hit next, install. It's not gonna install in my case because I have it already open, but please close OBS Studio and then you can start downloading it and you should be good to go. So first of all, what I want you guys to do is go to this website. I'm actually gonna put it on the description, or you can go to Wallpaper Engine, but I want you guys to find a wallpaper that you actually like. So after you downloaded the wallpaper that you want, I want you then to open Adobe Premiere Pro. So it's gonna load, it's gonna take a few seconds because you know the program is really heavy. Then I want you to go to the top left where it says File, then New, then Project. Then hit OK. Yes, I want to confirm, I want to overwrite it. Okay, so now you're faced against this screen. Don't be scared, just drag the wallpaper they installed to the media to start. Okay, so now you have it here. Then you want to drag it again to the sequence. Okay, so now you're faced against this. Then what I want you guys to do is hit this thing called new item on the bottom left, and then search for black video. Click OK, and drag it on top of the wallpaper and make it the same as the wallpaper you made. Okay, it's gonna lag a bit. It does lag for me for some reason. I have to click spacebar every time to make it work again. I don't know why, but it does that to me. So yeah, after this I want you guys to, okay, so on your keyboard please hit T and click. After you click T, it's gonna show you this red box right here, and what I want you guys to do is just drag this cursor down, and on the source text you want to choose the font that you like. For me, I like this one called Lemon Milk. You might not have it, so you might want to go and download a few fonts. Okay, so that's the one I choose, Lemon Milk, and I'm gonna make it like 220. As you can see, the size is getting bigger. I'm gonna make it maybe 300. Yeah, there we go, 300. Okay, 300. All I'm gonna write is stream. Oh, it's still small. Wow. Okay, maybe I'm gonna even make it even more big, like 400. Stream space. Gotta make a few spaces and starting. Starting. So now it says stream starting. Oh, there we go. It's really pretty. I like it. Looks beautiful. Go a bit like this. Yeah, I think this is fine. I want to make a bit more space here, and you guys will know the reason later. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now, of course, you want to drag this to the left, and you want to make sure, please, that it's the same size as this one. If you have this problem, just click space and it's gonna load. So what I want you guys to do next is click on Effect, okay, and search for track matte key. It should show here as under keying in video effect. You want to drag it and put it on black video. Okay, after you drag it, click on black video just to make sure. It should show up here, track matte key. Then I want you to click on matte and choose video 3, which is the one where it has the text. Okay, you kind of see guys where I'm going. Now what I want you guys to do is to hit reverse. So next step guys, I want you to render all of this. To do that, you want to go and hit file, then click export, and then media. Okay, on format please choose H264. It's gonna tell you match source high bitrate. leave it as it is. On the output name, I want you guys to select the place. For me, I'm gonna select on my desktop wallpaper test starting. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna leave it as the same name, to be honest. So I'm gonna put it in here in the wallpaper test starting. Save and then hit export. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna start fresh again, but now what we're gonna do is drag the one we just rendered, which is the one with the black and the wallpaper behind it, and also we're gonna need the original one, which is, I think it's this one. There we go. So now we have the original one and the other one. Of course, you wanna like take the original one and put it first, and then you're gonna take the one we rendered and put it on top. Okay, so as you can see, what I'm gonna do now is remove the black area from the one we already rendered. So I want you guys to go to effect and search for something we call color key. Okay, drag it to the second one. There we go. In the color key here, you want to select the color that you want to remove. In our cases, we want to remove the black color, so I'm gonna select the black. There we go. Okay, it's now removed, but it's not really, we cannot really see the stream starting, right? So there's like 3 parameters that you want to play with until this looks fine. Okay, so I've been trying this, and this is the parameters I found: 14, -5, and 5. So you guys, if you want, you can also like just play with them and see what you guys like. I like it like this. Now, as you can see, this is red. All you want to do is click here and hit enter. Okay, so it's gonna render it. Okay, so after it stopped rendering, as you can see now it's green and it works better, right? Okay, so what I want you guys to do next is go to effect and search for blur. We want to blur out the background, right? So search for blur, drag a bit. It should be under in video effects under blur and sharpen. I'm gonna choose camera blur. You can choose the others, but just, you know, for if you want to experiment. But I'm gonna choose the camera blur and put it in the bottom one, which is this one. Okay, there we go. If we wanna make it better, we wanna click on toggle animation. Okay, so it's gonna start at like 0, right? It's gonna start at 0. So you click on this and then this button here, keyframe, and then we're gonna drag. Hold on, we want to add a keyframe. It's already there, I believe. Yes. So it's gonna start at 0, then it goes to middle, and then it becomes, I would say, becomes 15, and then comes back to 0 at the end. 0 at the end. So that's how it's gonna animate. You cannot really see it because it's not yet rendered. There you go, guys. After you exported everything, you're right now in front of OBS, right? What I want you guys to do is hit the plus button and search for media source. There we go. I'm gonna call it stream starting. And then on the local file, you want to search for what you just exported, the video that we did on Adobe. Click open, and then don't forget to hit loop. Okay, it's important. In my case, I'm streaming on 720p, so and the video is 1080p, so I want to transform it and fit it to screen. So right click, transform, fit to screen. Okay, but we didn't finish yet. We still have steps to do. Now this is where the plugin actually comes to play. We want to search it. It's gonna be called Spectralizer. Hit it. Yes. Okay, there we go. So the mode, I'm gonna make it bars. The audio source, I'm gonna make it the desktop audio, and I'm gonna be the height. It's gonna be, I think 100 on the height is too much. I'm gonna make it like 50. There we go. So what we want to do, guys, is right click it, transform, and then rotate 90 degrees clockwise. There we go. I'm gonna put it right onto it. There, it's perfect. Let's do a small test. I'm gonna put some music real quick and see how it's gonna react. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is how it's gonna react so far. I think this is nice. We didn't finish yet, by the way. I'm gonna leave the music running so I can set it up as I want. Plus Spectralizer. I'm just gonna speed the steps, but you guys can also, you know, watch it. There we go. And right now I'm gonna make the other one, which is the G. Do want to do the same steps, but instead of making it bars, I'm gonna make it circular bars. There we go. Same thing. I'm gonna go, instead of 100, I'm gonna make it 50. Of course, you can change the color instead of white. There we go. Gonna make it react. So of course, don't forget the audio source should be desktop audio. Oh, it's too big. Okay. So we want to go down. Instead of 50 pixels, I'm gonna make it 25 on the height. Okay, there we go. That's a good example of blue. There you go. So if you guys like what I just made, please make sure to leave a like. If you have any question, you can join the Discord, and also you can follow me on Twitch, which I stream almost every day. And there you go, guys. I hope you enjoy everything. Goodbye, guys. Peace.